beetroot rice casserole or garlic beetroot rice bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice recipes and one of the most unique of the rice bowl recipes and one of the most different of the beetroot recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the beetroot rice recipes and one of the most unique of the garlic rice recipes. One of the most easiest to make of the rice recipes. We're going to make garlic beetroot rice casserole. We have taken around 100 grams of beetroot, 15 grams of ginger, around 30 grams of garlic, 8 to 10 shallots cut into pieces. Put in the beetroot pieces into the grinder. Put in 2 cloves of garlic. And 1 shallot, cloves, and well, 10 to 15 ml of olive oil. Put in a few mustard seeds and let it fry. Once the mustard seeds start popping, put in the shallots. Salt. Garlic. Put in the ginger. Ginger. The shallots. Put in the garlic. Rub the ginger and the garlic together. Then curry leaves. Salt. Now put in a quarter spoon of turmeric powder. tablespoon of chili powder, salt, pour ground beetroot, salt, quantity, pour in 100 to 150 ml of water, salt and mix, and let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. 2 cups of water, put in a cup of washed and soaked rice, mix, and let this mixture cook for 15 minutes in the casserole. After cooking for the required time, garnish with a few curry leaves. Now the garlic beetroot rice casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final garlic beetroot rice casserole, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the beetroot rice recipes and one of the most unique of the garlic recipes and one of the most different of the rice casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the rice bowl recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.